Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Audi Q5 S-Line Quattro. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 249 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. This is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 30,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the metallic Mythos black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior, and being in the Audi, you've got the gorgeous trim. Everything feels nice and solid. And as it's the S-Line, you've also got the sports seats there, which are half leather, and a armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and then below that your climate controls as well as your switches for the heated front seats. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your controls there for the automatic headlights and the wipers on the right hand stalk there. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. As we open the rear doors, you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there, ideal if you're carrying passengers on a regular basis. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have controls over their own temperature by the air vents. And it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Audi too. As we open the tailgate, which is electric, you have the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats, the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have below the floor there your subwoofer and also your tyre inflator kit there on the left hand side at the back. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, and also the 19-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.